we-e-government eGauteng uBonginkosi Dlamini uthi iphondo lisebenzisa ubuchwepheshe ukuqinisa idabi lokulwa ulwaphulomthetho. Uthi kuzakuthi kangoku kufakwe ikhamera ze-CCTV ezingaphezulu kwama800 kwindawo exhaphake kuzo ulwaphulomthetho. uDlamini kwabongoza abahlali ukuba bafake inkqubo yonxibelelwano langexesha lomngcipheko kwimfonomfono zabo neyaziwa nge-Panic Button app.
Since 2023, the department has been installing CCTV cameras and distributing the Gauteng e-Panic Button as means to fight against crime in the province. So far, the department has increased its installation of CCTV cameras to a total of 830 cameras to date. The CCTV cameras are installed in various places in Gauteng, targeting areas deemed to be crime spots, as well as townships, informal settlements, hostels, shopping centers, and public roads. This number will further increase under phase 4 of the project. Furthermore, e-government has partnered with Vumacam to ensure that our crime fighting efforts are increased, that there is more efficiency in dealing with lawlessness. As a result of this partnership, the Gauteng provincial government has access to 7,200 cameras by Vumacam, and so far, the success rate is marked through the number of vehicle interceptions and arrests made from time to time. Through these efforts, the department remains hopeful that there will be crime reduction in the province. On the other hand, the department continues to raise awareness regarding the download of and the use of Gauteng e-Panic Button. Gauteng residents are encouraged to download the Gauteng e-Panic Button, which provides easy and direct access to armed response and ambulance services. So far, we have 165,718 users via downloads, as well as distributed over 2,000 physical panic buttons. We have responded to more than 88,528 emergency call-outs, which indicates that the Gauteng e-Panic Button is active and useful to Gauteng residents. As part of building resilient high-speed network that reach all communities with a particular focus on underserved areas, the department has implemented the Gauteng provincial network. Through the GPN, we have connected sites across Gauteng in schools, hospitals, hostels, community centers, and libraries. The GPN has been beneficial in ensuring that residents have access to the internet. There is efficiency in the process of learning and teaching in schools, as well as easy provision of access to government services.